Hello, guys. Welcome back. Today we have something completely different. So I bought a job lot of PS5 controllers, and this came within the job lot. And if we open it up, but before we do, it says here first challenge. So this is gonna be a challenge because I've never done one of these before. We have a PlayStation Edge controller. It has the spare parts in it. Well, most of them. Well, I don't know. I don't know what else it come with. Yeah, and it says here water damaged, and it doesn't power on if I press the power button. I've not tried it in the port yet, and yeah, so this is going to be a challenge for sure. I did watch a video once just to see how to open it up, and it says release catch there, so you've just got to push it across, and oh, there you go, and it's just popped the plate off. So that's quite cool, nice and easy. And now let's take off these. I think these are Hall effects. I'm not sure, but I saw him pull it off. How do you do it? Push down and pull? Hmm. Nope. Okay. I see little catches here. Good job I didn't yank it. Oh, no, they just pop out. That's interesting. There you go. That is water damaged. You can see that there's some moisture at the bottom there. Don't know if you can see that. I think that's done it. Yes. There you go. So that's that taken off. And yeah, there's more liquid down here. It's a bit off color. And now what do I do? Okay, yeah, just undo these screws there. So there's one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. If I could count, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, yeah. And then there's this thing here. That's the release catch. I have to take that off because there's two underneath there as well. Didn't see that, but I don't know how this comes off. Um, okay, it looks like we might have to take the spring off this end, I think. So if I release the spring here, like that, and now can I lift it up? Yes, there you go. Got to make sure I don't lose that spring. That's going to be fun to put back on. And now just these screws. Do we just open it up now? Um, I think so. Okay. Is it like the old PS5 controllers where you've got to pop these out? Oh, yes, they are. Thank you. Ah, so that's for the front. Is that attached to the... Yeah, it is. There's two more there as well, just like the original ones. Now, once we've done that, we then pry it out now, take it apart this way. I don't know. Doesn't feel like you do. Or maybe you do. Yeah, yeah, you do. Nice. Yeah, there's more liquid down there that actually looks like water as well, like proper water. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's quite a lot of liquid damage on it. But I don't think it's been on there for long because I don't see any signs of corrosion yet. What the fuck? Oh no. Uh, what's these little white pieces? Well, we'll come to that when it's time to put it back together. And now the other one. So left is right, right is left on this, just so I can remember. Again, these white bits are falling off. Oh, it's the Hall effects, isn't it? That's why it's magnetic. So they're the Hall effects. No, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. Now what do we do? We get the battery out? Oh, okay. Yes. We go under the microscope, and I think I may have found the issue already. There we go. As you can see there, there's all that corrosion on the battery connector. So yeah, let's check the voltage of the battery. Even at the back of the battery, it's got a bit of corrosion on, but that could just be cleaned up. But yeah, that could be the cause. Still need to take it all apart to give it a good clean. Okay, so let's check the clean this up and then check the voltage of the battery first, just to see if it has any charge left in it. I doubt it, but might as well check. So with my multimeter, I'm setting it to voltage DC and just putting the negative on the negative, positive on the positive. Do we get any voltage? Nope, it is depleted. Right, so that definitely is dead. Let's continue taking this apart. Um, think it's probably best to start with these ribbon cables so I don't pull them off with the board. And this connector here, that's for the rumble motors, I guess. Ugh. Now, probably this bit here. I've got to try and remember all this. I have no idea. Like, what's this for? Like, why is it there? Got to remember which way around that goes too. And this one. Do I need to take this off? Probably. Try it without taking it off first. Yeah, that's not budging. Still not coming off. What? It's all connected. Like, how do I take these off? Maybe. There you go. Now it should come off. Ah, there you go. That's it. Whew, so many parts. And here's the board. Can we take the board out now? Can I? Or is it stuck in there? Got the ribbon up the top there. Doesn't look like there's any. Oh, it's got clips either side here. And there's the board. What? That is crazy. Okay, hang on. Let's disconnect this other mic. So this is covered with liquid. You see those beads of water? But I don't think it's been damaged for long. Not long enough really to do any damage anyway. But if we look under the microscope, we can see fully what's going on. So we got the liquid damage around the connector, as we already knew. It's going out of focus. And I don't know if there's supposed to be a component there. I don't think there is. Is that eating away? No, that's fine. We've got some more liquid damage down here. I think that's just the triangle to show which way around the chip goes. I could be wrong on that. Corrosion by this connector. I think this probably just needs a cleanup. Damage there. Do I see any more damage anywhere? A little bit down there. Some on the connector down here. I guess this is for the analog sticks. Bit under there as well. Oh, there's some in there as well, isn't there? Yeah, we're gonna have to take this out. These ribbon cables. Oh no, what? It's no good. Or is it? Oh no, we're safe. I thought that had eaten away. We're good there. Just needs a clean. So I think that's enough now to test it. So I'm going to use my ammeter and see if we get any draw. The picture's cable. Um, damn it. Damn it. This one need a USB hub. Oh, it's USB-C to C. Brilliant. Perfect then. Okay, here we go. Are we getting any amp draw? It's turning on. It's flashing. I've never seen this flash before. So I'm assuming that's fine. It's charging at 860 milliamps. Ooh. So I think it's working. What I'm going to do now, though, is strip it all down completely, even more, unfortunately. Dry it all out inside, give it a clean, and then try and put it back together again. So I might just fast forward all this bit so you don't get bored or anything. Yeah, let's see if it'll fully work after putting it back together again.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Okay, so we finally put it all back together. Now it's time to test it. I don't know if Gamepad Tester works with these controllers, so it'll be interesting. That was the most difficult thing to remember where everything goes. Yeah, let's test it. Right, so let's plug it in, and it's flashing orange. Hopefully you guys can see that. And if we go to Gamepad Tester, and it's connected, you can see it says DualSense Edge wireless controller. Now it's to test every button. Yes, 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 yes. Analog sticks, oh yeah, they work too. So everything seems to be working. PlayStation button, they click in. Mute button doesn't show anything. So that's one fixed DualSense Edge controller. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.